What's up, guys? We're back again. Last 2 weeks we've been super busy. That's why last week I did a recap video of the Integra. I just grabbed some old footage from the past, threw it together from the beginning to the end. Obviously, haven't had a chance to do much work. Like I said, just super busy. But right now we're installing the cams on Kenny's motor. His B series motor is going to be going inside his project. Pick up some Downstar hardware, go install the cam gears on his GSR cams with the Downstar hardware, and just get the time belt and everything on his motor. But first, before I show you guys that, I'm going to talk about the red Integra a little bit. Did get a chance to work on that. Basically on the red Integra, we're trying to still, if you've been watching the other videos, we got it started a couple videos back. I just wanted to do a couple things to it. We added a fuel pressure regulator so I can see what the fuel pressure is. Kind of important to know what that is. When we turn the key, it was at 30 psi. It's at roughly 45 right now. And then also another thing I wanted to check was the TPS on this. I just used this little trick tool that my buddy Brian Thomas made me a long time ago to do the TPS, is to calibrate them. Basically you just stick the end of that into the TPS, you stick the TPS sensor to the end right here, and then you put your voltmeter on into these ports right here. So like I said, my buddy Brian Thomas at BT Performance, he made this for me and makes it real easy to calibrate the TPS. Anyways, calibrated TPS, couldn't exactly calibrate it, it was off, so I'm gonna have to get a different TPS and get it on there and see if it works, or at least see if it calibrates, because it's not calibrating right now. So I'm going to go ahead and start with that, get a new TPS, and then try to restart the car. Alright guys, so Kenny pretty much got everything for his car from Downstar, all the hardware, everything, all the motor mounts, tranny, everything. Pretty much he's doing everything in titanium and gold zinc. Here's the Downstar cam gear hardware that he picked up. You can get this off the Downstar website. Titanium and gold zinc. Alright guys, Kenny got the cam gears installed on the cams real quick. Super sick. As you guys can see, the color is going to look tight on the side of the valve cover. Can't wait to show you what else we're doing with the car. We're going to go ahead and get the cams in real quick, cover the motor, just keep it going. Kenny's been working on his motor a little bit during the week. He's been getting it all freshened up, getting it painted, and getting the new hardware on it, or getting it ready to get the new hardware on it. Motor's pretty much ready to go, just needs to be cleaned up, hardware put on, and get it ready to install inside the car. Hopefully the car can come here soon, but I'm going to go ahead and let Kenny tell you a little bit about the motor and just basically give you some details on it.
What's up guys, Kenny here. This is my motor. It's a B18C1, fully built by RS Machines out of California and Powerhouse here in Phoenix. It's got a LS crank, LS rods, well, Golden Eagle LS rods. It's a 84 millimeter bore with sleeves. The head is full SuperTech dual valve springs, retainers, all the little goodies you can get there. And everything else is brand new in it as well. We're just getting ready to slap these cams in and get it ready to go.
Alright guys, so it turns out we're missing an important part of this whole assembly here, the little orifice that goes in the middle of the center cam cap. Kind of need that, it's kind of important. It's what keeps all the oil pressure inside the head and goes through all the oil rails or whatever. So we're going to have to go to Honda and see about picking that up. Hopefully they got one in stock so we can install these cams, and then we'll get it together. Yeah, hell yeah. How many videos on this thing? Can't tell. Anyways. Alright guys, so we went and got Alright guys, so we went and got the pieces that we needed from Acura, the homie Raul Acura Peoria. Got me hooked up with some of those. It's the little dowel and a rubber O-ring, which nowadays is blue, and I don't remember it being blue, but we got it. It's in the motor already, so we go ahead and continue putting the cams in, timing belt tensioner, and just getting it together.
with the pressure wash and clean this shit off.
Look at that.